We are fortunate and not fortunate enough to have our laundry room directly off of our garage. But that means whenever this room stinks, the entire downstairs kitchen entry to our house stinks, and we really needed a solution. I was drawn to this because it says the laundry smell covered up all the wet towels and toys and sweaty uniforms, all the stinky laundry, all the sweaty shoes. There are just so many smells that go on here in addition to pet stuff that we needed a comprehensive, long-lasting solution to cover all of the needs. I was drawn to these plugins because they smell like laundry. They come in a 5-pack, enough to last 300 days. And I feel like this is something I can put in this room to cover all the smells. I also got these max control warmers. I like that I can control the amount of scent with them. So just a standard Glade plugin plugs into those. We had this outlet here, which is perfect, so I can kind of hide it. These plugins are 4 inches tall, 2 inches from the wall, and about a width wide. And this is where you can control the amount of smell. You just twist the top off of any standard Glade plugin, put it in the warming device, and hear the click, you know you're good to go. And then the distance is not going to take up a lot behind these shoes, which I really like. I can control the smell, take it down, take it back up, and I make sure I do save the lids, because if I do need a break from the smell, I can simply unplug it, take the plug-in back out, twist the top back on, and it does contain the smell, keep it ready to go, and then I can use it again when I'm ready. So far, I'm noticing the best impact is it covers up any of the wet smells that I don't even know what that is. It's like that moldy, sweaty mix of damp. But overall, I'm really pleased with these. They're solving the problem where all of life just gets dumped in this room. And if this was helpful, please give it a like so I know to make more videos like this.